What you do is you're going to come in here and you want to check your water lube. This is actually what's keeping the packing cool while the pump's operating. If you notice here, you've just got a dribble of water coming out of the back of this gland nut. That's about what you want right here. Okay? And to adjust the amount of water going through, you've got 3 needle valves right here. To adjust these, you just turn this needle valve here. Either turn it in clockwise for less water or counterclockwise for more water. So you get the correct amount of water coming out of the back of the gland nut. If you don't have any water coming out of the back of your gland nut and you've got your needle valve open, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pull your lube line off. Make sure that you have a sufficient amount of water coming out of there. Sometimes if the packing goes bad, what will happen is parts of the packing will actually extrude up into here and clog this line. And if that happens, just go ahead and pull your line off, and blow it out with some compressed air. Reinstall the lube line, and again check, make sure you got the correct amount of lube water out of the back.